Welcome to Bike Reviews Pro, where we bring you the latest insights on two-wheeled machines from around the world. Today we're looking at the much-anticipated 2026 Honda CB750, a revival of an iconic nameplate blending heritage with modern engineering. Honda has taken a bold step, creating a standard motorcycle that respects its roots while delivering cutting-edge features and performance. Design and styling. The 2026 CB750 carries a clean, minimalist look inspired by its classic predecessors. With a sculpted tank, round LED headlamp, and exposed frame elements, it keeps that retro charm while incorporating contemporary details. The bike features a steel trellis frame, slim side panels, and a short tail section, offering a balanced look between vintage styling and modern street aggression. Available in 3 color options, including a matte red and metallic blue, it turns heads without being loud. Engine and performance. Powering the new CB750 is a 750 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine tuned for versatility and smooth power delivery. The engine is built for urban riding and spirited weekend runs, producing around 75 horsepower with strong mid-range torque. The 6-speed transmission is smooth and precise, while the assist/slipper clutch reduces fatigue during aggressive downshifts. With a responsive throttle and balanced gearing, the CB750 feels at home in both city traffic and on the open road. Chassis and ride quality. The bike rides on a steel frame paired with a Showa telescopic front fork and a mono-shock rear suspension, delivering a confident and composed ride. Whether cornering through twisties or commuting through town, the CB750 remains stable and agile. A comfortable upright riding position and a modest seat height of 31.5 inches make it suitable for a wide range of riders. Braking is handled by dual front discs with ABS, offering strong stopping power and safety. Technology and features. The CB750 features a sleek digital instrument cluster with smartphone connectivity, displaying notifications and navigation prompts. Honda has also included selectable ride modes, traction control, and a USB-C charging port as standard. Despite its retro appeal, it's loaded with the tech today's riders expect. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda CB750 is a brilliant balance of style, substance, and everyday usability. With modern tech, strong performance, and classic looks, it stands as a true rider's bike. Thanks for watching Bike Reviews Pro. Subscribe for more expert reviews and motorcycle news every week.